Hello, and thank you for watching my new video on what it takes to be a six-figure agent, real estate agent. This is Ron Escobar with what it takes to be a six-figure agent. In this particular video, I want to talk to you about commitment. We've discussed other topics in this video series. We discuss self-awareness, we discuss your why, we discuss having the right mindset. Today, I want to talk to you about commitment. And commitment is something that it has to be full or none. It's a binary output. It's a yes or a no. There's no in between. You're committed or you're not committed. I am fully committed at making this video series valuable to you. Therefore, I am working very hard on it at making sure that I film a whole bunch of videos with a whole bunch of great ideas that you can use, that you can entertain, and that it will help you make your real estate career better, and it'll help you provide our real estate clients better service. I am fully committed. I'm not half committed. I'm not interested. I will make this video series and I will make it successful. And that's what it takes to make something happen. So for me, when I make, first you have the idea. Of course, I discussed this in other videos. First you have the idea, then you believe you can make it happen, then you make it happen. I had this idea that I'm going to make this video series, then I believe I was going to do it, and now I'm making it happen. It's already done. That's how committed I am. I don't question it. I don't second guess it. It's just a matter of time between here and when I'm finished, or if I'm ever going to be finished, but it's done. It is going to happen. That's the type of commitment you need to make. So if you're interested in being a six-figure agent, you need to internalize your ideas. You need to ask what I need to do. But in your mindset, in your DNA, in your soul, in your spirit, you know that you are meant to be a six-figure agent. That's the type of commitment that it takes. In your dream, in your sleep, in the shower, as you exercise in the gym, you're excelling, you're saying, I'm a six-figure agent. That's who you are. I got news for you. We all have it inside of us, right? So only some of us pull it out. I could be a bodybuilder. If I wanted to, I commit myself to it. I spend years and years training and eating properly, and I'll probably be all muscular, but I'm choosing not to do it, right? But I could do it. Everything is possible. We all have everything inside of us. We all have greatness. We all have the universe. We all have God. We have whatever you want to call it. We all have it in us. We just need to bring it out, and we need to believe that we can achieve it. So as you watch this video series, you're gonna have, I had a realization that each and every one of my viewers can achieve the goal of being a six-figure agent, and not everyone will. It is just kind of heartbreaking to think about that, because everybody can do it, but not everybody will. Why is that? Well, for a lot of reasons, but one of the main reasons is commitment. People are not committed to it long term. They're not. You can have everything you want in life. All you got to do is pay the price. In this case, the price is making sure that you arm yourself with the right tools, with the right strategy, with the right brokerage, with the right brand. You have the right knowledge, and you work very hard at adding value to your clients, and then you'll be a six-figure agent. It's not something that is going to be easy. It might be easy for one or two people, but for the majority of us, it's a lot of hard work, and you need to be committed to it. So if you're sitting there wondering whether you can be a six-figure agent, or yes, it's easy for Ron to say he has an office in Beverly Hills and he does multi-million-dollar properties all the time, I have news for you. I wasn't doing multi-million-dollar properties all the time. I wasn't in Beverly Hills all the time. You know, I have a very humble background, and that doesn't really matter. What the point I'm trying to illustrate is that everybody can do it. You can do it. You're watching this video, you're already interested in becoming a six-figure agent. I challenge you to convince yourself that you can do it. This is Ron Escobar with what it takes to be a six-figure agent in real estate. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to it. Feel free to make any comments in the comment section. I will address any questions that you ask me directly, probably do a video on it. Thank you once again, and feel free to share this video with anybody that you think can benefit from it. I'll see you on the next one.